Okay guys, so this is the repair on this BMC. I didn't have a drill to screw and rivet it, so I settled with the epoxy along with some material to strengthen the epoxy. That is graphene actually, so that's super should make that pretty strong, kind of like reborn concrete. But I double sealed this. This had 2 screw holes in it, and so I glued it on the epoxied it on the back side of the metal, and then on the front side of the metals, before the epoxy on the back was all the way dried, I re-epoxied these holes right here so it would connect like a bolt would connect. So it's got two areas it's trying to grip to the epoxy and frame. So I don't think this will flex. The only problem with this is it probably won't come off too easy if it needs to come off in the future. And that's kind of the downside of this. I mean, if it's forced off, it might break the carbon on the back. I'm not sure. But hopefully it doesn't need to come off again.